welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be unboxing and then demoing for you this PD 30-watt USB-C charger from Syncwire. Awesome little charger that is super powerful. There's a lot of PD 20-watt chargers out there, but this is a 30-watt charger, so super powerful and super fast charging. If you look at some of the features here, you're going to see 30-watt USB-C fast charger for phones and tablets. Charging speed is about 3 times faster than with an original 5-watt charger. It's got a smart chip, so it'll charge all of your devices and charge them at the correct voltage and wattage, all that good stuff. So a really powerful device. Let's open up the box, and there it is right there. When you open it up, you see it. And throw that box off to the side so you can take a look at this charger. You can see, nice and small, 2-prong charger. You can see that's 30 watts printed right there on the front. You've got your little LED indicator, and of course it is USB Type-C. Fairly small, but very powerful. Because it is a 30-watt PD charger, you're going to get support for quick charge charging, as well as the various power delivery charging methods that are out there now. So very capable charger by Syncwire. It's going to be able to basically power or charge all of your devices and do so at the fastest speed possible with those 30 watts. So really cool design, really nice and small. So let's check it out in action and see how it works. So you can see here I have this wireless charger. This is a 3-in-1 wireless charger, and it's plugged into that Syncwire 30-watt PD charger. And because of that, it's able to power this, which offers wireless charging for iPhone, Apple Watch, as well as earbuds. Also, Samsung phone can go on there. It's Quick Charge 3.0. So it'll do fast wireless charging as well. And I've got it plugged into that, and it is able to power this all. When I set my little iPhone 13 mini on there, you can see that it starts charging. Put the watch on there, and it immediately starts charging. This PD 30-watt charger is fully capable of powering this device and charging 3 devices at one time. Piece of cake for this little guy. Of course, being a PD 30-watt charger, it's going to be fully capable of charging your iPhone 13 Pro Max or any other iPhone. You're also going to get fast charging with this, so it'll work with that as well. Just a very capable PD charger. This 30 watts, really powerful. Going to be able to charge any of your iPhones, your Android phones, your tablets. You can probably even charge, even though it's not really meant for it, you can probably also charge some Chromebooks and things with this as well through that PD charger. Anything that's capable of charging with 30 watts of power, you're going to get it. And with iPhone, Android phones, you're going to get fast charging. The fastest charging you can get on a phone, you'll be able to get using this 30-watt PD charger by Syncwire. Really excellent product, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy. Thank you.